What's up?
Torture you, take my hand through the flame. I torture you, I'm a slave to your games. I wanna chain you up, I wanna tie you down. I'm just a sucker for pain. I'm a sucker for pain. I got the squad tatted on me from my neck to my ankle.
Hello everyone, my name is Vickynicolee and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, we are doing a Harley Quinn inspired look. I am also following a Nikkietutorials makeup tutorial on this look. So if you want to see how to get this look, keep on watching. Hey babes. Today we are going to be doing following a Nikkietutorials makeup tutorial, and since I'm going to do Harley Quinn, I decided to recreate her look using Harley Quinn. I don't think I did an actual makeup tutorial, but I did film a Harley Quinn makeup look, and it is definitely, with the amount of like video quality that I have right now, it is not gonna even compare to what I'm going to do today. So I'm so excited to recreate this look. So I will be following this tutorial right here. I will put it somewhere on the screen so you guys can see it. So I'm going to do my entire face, and then I will continue with the tutorial. Okay, so I finished my face, and now we're going to go in to the Nikkietutorials tutorial. Okay, so I fast forwarded everything for the face, and now I'm taking out some colors that I'm going to use. I do not have all the colors that she used, so we will have to make a little adjustment. That's okay, that's alright. We can still see this all night. Okay, so the first thing I did was I primed my eye with the P. Louise Rumor 2 that I am just absolutely in love with. This one's just amazing. With my Zoeva 144 brush, which is a soft concealer brush.
Alright, so on the right side of my face, I'll be applying the red makeup, and on the left side of my face, the blue. So let's start off with the red. I'm going to go in with a Love Plus eyeshadow by Sugar Pale. This is a beautiful, true, pigmented, buttery red. I'm going to be applying this all over my lid up to the crease. And applying this shade using a Zoeva 234 brush. I suggest grabbing little bits of eyeshadow and really building it up to keep it as clean as possible.
Okay, so she packs on that color. I'm using a Morphe R38 brush and this Suva Beauty in Bloody Mary that I have on this, and I'm going to pack that on the lid. Now let's see what else.
I'm going to switch over to a Morphe M513 brush to blend the red into my crease. I'm just picking up a little bit of that eyeshadow, a little bit, and tap the excess. And with this, we're slowly but surely gonna blend it up, and I want this super like diffused, smoky halo eye effect.
Okay, so I will be using the same brush to do what she's doing now, which is She got a fluffy brush. The other one, she didn't use a fluffy brush. I should have used a more compact brush, but since I didn't, we're gonna use the same brush. So she gets a little bit of the product, and now she's kind of like dragging it into the crease a little bit more.
Okay, same brush, same eyeshadow. We're gonna drag that shadow down to the lower lash line here, and then we're gonna do the signature smeared out look. Come back on to that lower lash line here. And now with that same brush, same shadow, just a tiny, teeny bit of it, we're gonna do the smeared out look. So you just wanna place the blending brush flat onto your skin and kinda drizzle it out.
Okay, now she's going a little bit lower. For all intensive purposes, I will be using a little bit denser of a brush for this, just because, yeah, I don't want it to look like a mess. So I'm taking the Makeup Shack T8 in that same blue of a color, and I'm gonna be dragging it down. And now we're gonna drizzle it out.
All right, so now you kind of have the gist of what Harley Quinn would apply her eyeshadow like. This is like a true Harley Quinn shape, but now we're gonna make it a tad bit more glam by adding some steps into this look. What I'm gonna do is pick up a black eyeshadow and kind of darken the outer corner here to bring in some depth. I'll be using the Morphe 35B palette, one of my favorites. And with a Morphe E17, I'm just gonna smudge some black close to the lash line. You know, I almost want this look to be as if Harley Quinn was watching some makeup tutorials on YouTube and trying to like up her look a little bit. That's what I'm going for today.
Okay, so she's wearing black on the lash line. So I'm gonna do Morphe M411 with Makeup Geek eyeshadow in Corrupt. It is a black, and gonna apply that to the lower lash line.
Alright, so while Harley was watching this makeup tutorial, a beauty guru taught her to apply a beautiful shimmering eyeshadow to the inner corners of her eyes, so that is what she's doing. I'll be applying the Inglot Pure Pigment in number 75 to my inner corners. A tiny bit of definition on the lower lash line using a Morphe E39 and some black shadow.
Oh, and then she goes into the lower lash line and puts a little bit of the black. So I'm gonna go in with that same black and Corrupt.
And of course, every glam look needs some glitter, so I'll be going in with the Midnight Cowboy Heavy Metal Glitter by Urban Decay, and this is going on the inner third of the lid.
So I'm taking glitter in Glitter Vibrance by NYX in the color red, which is actually pink. Trying to take it very carefully because I do not want to get it all over my face.
And that is essentially what I had in mind for the eyes. So really keeping it in that original Harley Quinn smoky eye shape, but add it with a junk load of glam. So I'm gonna do the other eye same way with blue tones now.
Now we're gonna do practically the same thing on the other eye. So I'm going to take my base and my Zoeva brush.
For the blue portion, I'm gonna go in with the 35B palette by Morphe and taking this shade right there. And same techniques apply as with the red.
So I'm gonna take Makeup Geek in Neptune. And at first I'm gonna do what she did, which is pack the color on the lid. Now I'm gonna take the brush and do the same thing that she did. Just little by little, blend it out. Now I'm going to take that black shade again and do that on the lash line. Okay. Now I'm going to get that pencil and do it at the bottom. Oh, this is the Morphe M160 brush. I'm going to do my lower lash line. Okay. Now we are going to do that inner corner, which I wonder why she did it at the not at the end. I always do it, I always leave it for the end, but it's her tutorial, so we gotta do what she says. Okay, now I'm gonna get the glitter. I'm gonna do beforehand. Glitter glue, glitter glue. Okay, so I did add some highlight, a little bit of blush, finish up that lash, and now I'm going to add a little bit more highlight onto the brow bone. The highlight I'm using is the Vickynicolee Jaclyn Hill collab in Champagne Pop. And now I'm going to go in with a red. Well, I'm going to try out the Morphe shade in Lover. MAC lip liner in He Said, She Said. The Beauty. And we need to do a bit of liner. I'm using my handy dandy Sailor Moon pen. She does put a little heart on the red side. this is the end look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.